QuickCreator just leveled up. We've launched a brand new content system powered by multiple AI agents that actually understand your brand, your audience, and your goals. This is content creation built for long-term growth, and I'll show you how to use it. Now, it might get overwhelming at first, but the good thing is we have a checklist for you to follow. So just click on this on the bottom left here. Click on Create Your Brand Profile to get started. Once you're here, just input the URL of your website. For this one, we'll be using an example, which is the New Balance shoe brand. Click on Create Brand Profile and wait for it to analyze. The great thing is, QuickCreator immediately analyzes the brand story, key features, target audience, and even the brand logo. So, once that's all good, you can click on the checklist once again and click on Build Your Knowledge Base. After all, you've already created the brand profile. Click on Add Knowledge to go next. Now from here, you're going to be given two choices on how to add your knowledge. First is uploading a document or inputting the website link. Now for me, there's a timeline for New Balance right here, from its history, the early stages of its design, up until the modern classic that we know right now. For me, I'm going to be choosing this, copying it, heading over back to website link, and then pasting the URL. Once you click import, it's as easy as that. Alright, you can see while it's analyzing, it's slowly incorporating and extracting every single information that is in this blog right here, right? From the images, the information, the web links. So while we're waiting for that, we can click and add new and upload whatever format of information that you can choose. We support a whole load of file types and file sizes, but they must be 50 megabytes only. So just upload what you need. Now, while we're waiting for it to be analyzed, we need to go back to the checklist and create our first article. Click on Generate Article here. And of course, I'm going to tell it what to write. I don't have a bunch of ideas right now, so we're going to be relying on the outline. Here's an example. For me, I'll be choosing Best New Balance Shoes for 2026 and click Generate Outline. Now just sit tight and wait for an expert to do the work for you. Now in this next step, we want the readability to be about high school level. And the perspective, well, I'm fine with the second person. Tone of voice should be persuasive because we want to sell the shoes, right? And for the word count, the highest we can go is up to 3,000 words, but you can adjust it from 800 to 1,000, 1,000 to 2,000, and the next one. So let's settle with the middle one and confirm the selection. As you can see here, our SEO writer immediately crawls the best possible topic and the most relevant blogs that you want for your blog creation. Now we're generating the outline. From here, the outline is of course editable. Now for me, if I want to change anything, you can just do so. For example, this availability note, I can just click backspace and have it removed. There are a lot of options in the blog editor outline. So if you're satisfied with it, click on Generate Article to go to the next step. And start writing. And the best part about this is our creation process includes asking you for feedback. So for the question 1, who is your primary reader you want this guide optimized for, then we're going to be going with letter B, which is everyday shopper seeking comfort, fit, and simple guidance. As for number 2, there's a lot of specifics here. So we're going to be using cautious phrasing. And 3, for the images, we're going to be using real product images from New Balance assets. In that way, we're not going to be generating falsified images and it'll best reflect our blog and our brand. So let's go with that and hit enter. Once you give the answer, the content planner gives feedback as well. And they can see what kind of blog you truly want to make. And once that's finally ready, you can see the content quality score is high. Now let's go to edit or publish. In this stage, you can see the cover image that we generated, quality analysis, and you can even download it in order to review it. Now scrolling down on here, you can see the different headings, the body text, and all of the parts of your blog that you've successfully generated with QuickCreator. On the far right here, you can even see that you can optimize using our suggestions. So we can just click that and have it generate the suggestions. And while we're waiting for it to finish, you can go ahead and modify the publish settings. If you want to connect it to your WordPress or if you want to host it with QuickCreator, that's also possible. For transparency, you can see the page assets that we use that are all here. So none of these shoes are hallucinated. These are real New Balance products that we've successfully extracted from our knowledge base, right? Now let's wait for a while for it to optimize and see what other issues there are and what we can do more. So from here, you can see that it wants us to add a methodology, right? As well as the accuracy over here, table specs, and change logs. Now, since this is only an example, we'll just go ahead and click on Publish. If you choose to host with QuickCreator, we have a myriad of different themes and different designs for your webpage or your blog, right? Now for me, I'm going to be going with Tablet Guru. Click on Create the Site. Once that's finished, you can change the slug, description, and categories of it here. So let's go ahead and finally click Publish. Let's visit it ourselves and we'll see the finished product here. From what you can see, the cover page is there, the introduction, all the different headings and subheadings, and even a conclusion. Creating a blog that you deserve is as easy as that with QuickCreator's newest AI agent. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link on the description below to test it out for yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you for sticking with QuickCreator as always. If you have any queries or questions, comment down below, reach out to our Discord server, which is also in the description, and we'll see you on the next one.